Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial. Today, we'll explore the Timesheet tool under the Project module. Timesheets are crucial for tracking project progress and employee productivity. Let's dive in. Ensure you're logged into your Parsimony account. To access the Timesheet tool, navigate to the Project module and select Timesheet. Here in the Timesheet dashboard, you can view a list of timesheets for different projects and team members. To create a new timesheet, click on the Add Timesheet button. In this form, fill in the details of your timesheet. Start by selecting the project for which you're recording time. Next, choose the employee for whom you're creating the timesheet. Now hit the Save button to draft the new timesheet. Go to the right side under the Timesheets section and click the Edit option to specify the activity type, date, and duration of the work performed. You can add a task to the timesheet by selecting the task from the drop-down menu and entering the hours worked. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to create the timesheet. By clicking on the Add Row button, you can add more timesheets as you work on new activity, task, or project. Don't forget to click the Save button to update your timesheet. You'll now see the details of the newly created timesheet listed in the Timesheets dashboard. Ensure to review the timesheet details and once finalized, click on the Submit button to submit the timesheet for approval. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Timesheet tool in Parsimony. Congratulations! Feel free to explore and utilize this feature. Timesheets are essential for tracking project progress and employee productivity. Parsimony offers robust tools to streamline project management tasks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.